We're going to start with our in and outs here with our legs. So both legs together. I like holding on to my chair, and then this one's super subtle with our leg movements here. We're just going nice out and in with those legs. So really trying to spread them out as far as we can before bringing them back in on both directions here. Nice and controlled on both sides. Good. 1, 2, good. Let's do 5 more repetitions, but I want you to focus on doing it as slow and controlled as possible. So if you watch me, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, I like that tempo. We'll do it again. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, good. Don't really focus too much on bringing them as high as you need. Just bring them off the ground a little bit with control. Good. You're really going to notice this through your core here, of course, through those leg muscles. Back. 1 more here. 1 1000. 2 1000, 3, good. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3. Very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and warm up our core a little bit. Hands together. Just going to do a nice core twist. So side to side here, holding on each direction, just for a pause, just for a second, and then slowly back to the other side. So this is one of those ones where you kind of give whatever your body is going to give you today. So if your body's feeling a little achy, maybe not quite as far on those reaches. If you're feeling good, give it a shot. Big far reach, hold, and relax. Good. Okay, kind of playing off of that same variation, we are going to do a lean back now. So we're going to do a twist. It's going to involve 2 things though. So we're going to first lean back. That's the first thing, so you should already feel this through your tummy muscles a little bit. And then we're going to move side to side through our core here. Nice and controlled on both directions with that slight bit of tip. So that little tip backwards goes a really long way here in improving that overall work. Nice and controlled. Back, forth, good. 1 more time each side. Back, forth, boom, beautiful, very nice. All right, let's warm up our shoulders a little bit. Make sure you have a decent amount of space to your side. Looks like everyone's spanned out pretty decently. Might have just heard a death, so might need to go help with that in a sec. But in the meantime, we'll warm up our shoulders for that. So go ahead, arms to the side, and nice and gently with those hands all the way around, we're going to reach nice and controlled here. Nice and easy. Good. We're going to move into slightly bigger circles now. So medium circles with those arms all the way around. Very nice. Finish with 5 big circles. Again, big is subjective here, as big as you can, all the way up, down, good, up, down, good. 1 more time, all the way up. Very nice, and down, good. Go ahead and relax on that side. Let's move into some alternating marches here. Back and forth, both legs here. Nice and controlled, and then once you get that guy up, you're slowly bringing it back down on both directions. Up, down, nice and controlled. Good. We're going to stick with the marches here, but I like adding a twist to these as well. So we're going to make it slightly more complex, adding a punch across our body. So we're doing opposite arm, opposite leg, right leg to left arm. And then, of course, vice versa, the other side. Nice and controlled. Good. Big far reach. Now go ahead, pause on one side. We're going to hold for 10 strong seconds. 10, 9, keep holding. Take a big breath for me. 3, 2, 1. Repeat on the other side here. Big far reach. Extend that arm all the way out. 10 strong seconds. Take a big breath. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Very nice. All right, last little warm up here we're going to do is going to be with our legs spread apart nice and far. We're going to do our reaches to the ground. So hands in front, all the way down as low as you can. Try to touch the ground. And then you're reaching all the way up nice and slowly. Big far reach. Both directions. Stretch those hands out. See how far you can get them. All the way down. Touch. Good. All the way up. Big far reach. Good. 3 more. Down and touch. Up. Reach. Good. Really being intentional here, trying to stretch those hands out as far as we can, all the way at the top. Good. Big far reach. One more time, nice and carefully down, touch, all the way up, reach. Good. Very nice. Go ahead and relax that body. All right, so we're going to do a quick strengthening drill with our legs. One leg is going to be out. This leg that is extended out is going to do absolutely nothing, okay? It's just going to hang there. Just keep it off the ground. The leg that's in the ground or is planted in the ground, we're going to actively be pushing as hard as we can into the ground with that leg for 10 seconds, okay? Try to keep your hands kind of off it. We're literally thinking about just driving with our legs, using our quad muscles, okay? Muscles on our thighs. 10 seconds, ready, set, go. Drive that leg as hard as you can. Almost like you're thinking about getting up out of the chair. That's kind of a way to think about it. Keep driving, keep pushing, keep pushing. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Good. Relax. Very nice. Take a breath. Rinse and repeat on the other side. Extend that leg out. We are actively driving our heel down into the ground. 10 strong seconds once again. Ready, set, go. As hard as you can. Push down into the ground. The harder you push, the more your muscle gets worked. The more the muscle gets worked, the stronger you get. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very nice. Very nice. All right, let's do a little bit of more core work, I should say. Scoot nice and close towards the edge of that chair. We're going to do some reverse sit-ups or chair lean backs. So you want to be nice and close towards the edge. This one involves slowly leaning back, as slow as you can, of course. I usually try to have about a 5-second cadence when I'm going back, and then using just my tummy muscles to help me sit up. So 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5. Oh yeah, that 5's good. So really just make it as slow as you can on your cadence when you go back. Obviously the slower you go, and maybe at one point you even hold it for a second. Try to see how strong your core can get. That can be a way for you to really work yourself out. Try to keep your hands as hands-off as possible, though. It's going to allow you to get the most work through your core. Good. Up. Very nice. Slowly back. Good. Everyone go ahead and sit up. We're going to do one more all together, but this one's going to be on my cadence. We're going to do it 10 seconds, very slow back. So try to kind of span it out so you don't sit back too long. We're going to do really, really long tension on this one, time under tension. So 10 slow seconds, okay? Starting nice and tall. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall out of that side. Very good. All right, so we just hammered the front of our core here, our abdominals. Let's work our obliques a little bit on our side. Hands to the side for this one. We're going to do our crescent moon pose. For this one, we are leaning towards one direction. Arm is going to be up and over towards the other side. And then ideally, we're trying to reach as far as we can, okay? So the more you can kind of get one of your butt cheeks to literally lift off of the chair, that's going to work your core the most, okay? So it's kind of a balancing act a little bit too. As far as you can. Good. Let's repeat on the other side. Again, the further you reach, the further you work your balance as well as work your core. Find that good kind of comfortable range where you feel challenged but not too much where you're scared and uncomfortable, right? Take one more big breath in. Big breath out. Very nice. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall. Excellent job. All right, we're going to do one more quick drill here in our seat. This one is going to be our side-to-side taps. So you're going to have an imaginary line. I actually almost have a line right here that I might use for myself, but go ahead and use an imaginary line on the ground, basically, where we're going to be just tapping back and forth nice and quick, okay? So We're going to do 10 seconds, kind of just slow at first like we normally do just to feel the gist of it. And I don't really want you to focus on getting height on this. I just want you to focus on quickness, okay? Getting your feet off a little bit just for quickness, okay? Speaking of quickness, here we go, 10 seconds, as fast as you can. Don't focus on getting up, just side to side. Quick, 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 quick. Go, 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 and break.